Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about tokenization and stemming. This video is going to be one of the videos that I create for my natural language processing with Python playlist. I will be adding its link in the cards of this video. Let's start coding. We are going to use natural language toolkit library, which we can also refer as NLTK, and we will say import NLTK, and we are going to say from NLTK.tokenize import word tokenize, and we are going to import Porter stemmer. Import Porter stemmer. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to create a simple data set to work with. I'm going to create some sentences, and let's do that. Let's say data set is going to be equal to we are going to open a list in here. For the first sentence, let's say tokenization is an essential step in NLP. And for the second, let's say stemming reduces words to their root form. And for the third, let's do a final one. Natural language processing is great. Okay, so let's start with tokenization. We will break down these sentences into individual words or tokens. This is a crucial step in NLP as it helps us understand the structure of the text. So we can say tokenized sentences, and we will say word tokenize sentence for sentence in dataset. So what's it? We are doing a list comprehension in here. And when I'm going to run this cell and I will call tokenized sentences, you are going to see that we have all the words in our sentences in three lists. Like the first list in here is the list of the words of the first sentence, and the second one also is going to be the second sentence's word list. And great, so we just did tokenization. Also, you can see that this sign is taken as a token, and it didn't came up with the great, so it's a good thing to notice. This exclamation mark is separated from the great, and we are going to take this as token. In some cases, you just drop the signs in the sentences, and in some you just take them. It depends on the situation. We are going to talk about that when we come to advanced NLP lectures on YouTube. Next, let's move on to stemming. We will use the Porter stemmer to reduce words to their root, or we can call that base form. This can help in tasks like text classification, where we want to focus on the core meaning of words. We already imported that, and what we are going to do firstly is, let's say Porter, and we are going to initialize this like Porter stemmer. And after that we will say stemmed sentences, and we are going to do a list comprehension again, porter.stem word, and then we will say for word in sentence. And after that, for the second one, we will say for sentence in tokenized sentences. So we are going to run that. We are doing a multiple list comprehension. The first one in here is this one, and the second one is this one. Great. So let's get our result. I'm going to call stemmed sentences, and here it is. So let's go one by one for some of them. Like it was tokenization, and the root of it is token, so it returned token in here. And let's see that essential, the root of this is essential, so it took that. And for the stemming, the root of this is stem, and it took that. So natural's root is nature, and it took that. And this is how stemming works. So let's give it an example. Like this is word, and it is taken as word in here. So let's do one more example for each of these and finish our video. So let's say sample sentence, and let's say tokenization is great. And let's not say great, we already said that. Tokenization is amazing, let's say. And after that we will say tokenized sentence again, and I'm going to say word tokenize, and I will say sample sentence. And let's also call this in the same cell. And you can see it's separated in the tokens of the sentence, and great. Okay, let's do an example of Porter stemmer, but I'm firstly going to do something like today is a great day, and what else we can say in here is, let's say yesterday was rainy, and let's add like today I am going to visit the Portugal maybe, and I'm just going to take the tokens of this and I'm going to take the stemmed version of this. So I will say stemmed words, and I'm going to say porter.stem word for word in, what was the variable name, tokenized sentence, and let's call this. Great. So in this example we take a list of words and apply stemming using the Porter stemmer. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a playlist named Natural Language Processing with Python. You can reach to that playlist from the cards of this video. See you in the next tutorial.